Is your brain feeling sluggish and in need of an upgrade? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just like a computer, your brain is a supercomputer that needs regular updates to stay in tip-top shape. Here's how you can give your brain the ultimate software update. Firstly, immerse yourself in books, podcasts, and valuable experiences. These sources act as powerful updates that expand your knowledge and perspectives. Just like a software update, they keep your brain sharp and ready to tackle any challenge. Next, it's crucial to protect your brain's battery. Make sure you give it the 8 hours of sleep it deserves. This allows your brain to recharge and rejuvenate, ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, connecting with nature and taking a technology detox can give your brain the rest it needs to function at its best. Lastly, don't forget to clean your brain's hard drive. Just like a cluttered computer, a cluttered mind can slow you down. Take time to meditate, journal, and engage in positive self-talk. These practices help declutter your thoughts, increase focus, and improve overall mental well-being. So why wait? Give your brain the upgrade it deserves. Update its software with books, podcasts, and enriching experiences. Protect its battery with sufficient sleep, nature and technology detox, and don't forget to clean its hard drive. Through meditation, journaling, and positive self-talk, get ready to unlock your brain's full potential and become the ultimate supercomputer.